great day to take a video of this newly traded in 2017 Formula 37 PC. All right, I love the swim platform on this. Gotta have the cup holders when you're dangling your feet in. Gotta have the reversible seat so you can sit back here. She does have all of her enclosures. All right, nice sitting area back here. Of course, you've got your fridge area. This does have cockpit air conditioning. Very, very important. She has separate AC below, separate AC up here. She is a Mercury stern drive with joystick. All right. This does also include active trim as well as all the other fun joystick stuff. All right. Nice walk through up to the bow. But you'll have to forgive the mess because I was showing off a couple of things. And yes, she does have all of her canvas. All right. Got a nice area back here. More expansive than I was expecting. And then of course your forward berth, which does have the doors that close off, which I really appreciate. And of course hanging lockers on both sides and nice natural lighting. Great galley. All right. Love the glass holders. All right, fridge, lots of cabinetry space, lots of good use here. And then of course, we've got to have the head here. Right, pretty spacious for a 37, but I really would encourage you to come on down and see her yourself. So come down to MarineMax Kent Island. My name's Chris, and let's get you aboard this 2017 Formula 37 PC.